Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered how those tiny magical discs called contact lenses are made? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a hilariously fascinating journey from plastic to perfect vision. So, let's kick things off with a fun fact. Contact lenses were first proposed by none other than Leonardo da Vinci. Yeah, the guy who painted the Mona Lisa. Imagine him saying, "Hey, while I'm at it, how about inventing something that'll help people see better too?" But it wasn't until the 20th century that contact lenses became a reality. Fast forward to today, and we've got these tiny lenses that are as close to science fiction as you can get. But how are they made, you ask? Let's dive in. First, we start with a slab of plastic. Yes, the same stuff that your water bottles are made of. Pretty unassuming, right? This plastic is usually a type of hydrogel or silicone hydrogel, which is super comfy for your eyes. Think of it as the memory foam mattress of the eye world. Next up, the plastic gets cut into tiny discs. These discs are then polished and shaped with a precision that would make a Swiss watchmaker jealous. We're talking micrometers here, folks. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so they're shaped, big deal. But here's where the magic happens. The discs are then soaked in a special solution that hydrates them and makes them flexible. It's like giving them a nice, relaxing spa day. After their spa treatment, the lenses go through a rigorous quality check. Imagine tiny little inspectors with monocles. They look for any imperfections because nobody wants a faulty piece of plastic in their eye. Once they pass inspection, the lenses are sterilized and packaged in those little blister packs you know so well. And voila, they're ready to bring clarity to your world. But wait, there's more. Contact lenses come in different varieties, like daily disposables, monthly wear, and even colored lenses for when you're feeling adventurous. Based on your prescription, the lens design is customized to address your specific vision needs. This involves curvature. The base curve is tailored to match the curvature of your cornea, ensuring a snug fit. Diameter, adjusted to cover your cornea properly without causing discomfort or vision issues. Power, the optical power is set according to your sphere, cylinder, and axis measurements to correct your vision accurately. Whether you're nearsighted, farsighted, or just want to change your eye color, there's a lens for you. So the next time you pop in your contacts, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey they've been on. From humble plastic to high-tech vision correction, it's a marvel of modern science. And there you have it, the hilarious journey of contact lenses from plastic to perfect vision. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more fascinating stories, and let me know in the comments if there's a topic you're curious about. Until next time, keep those curious minds buzzing.